The People's National Party PNP says it is not in favor of mandatory COVID-19 vaccination because Jamaicans will not be able to take legal action if they suffer adverse reactions from the medicine. Jamaica and other countries had to sign indemnity documents protecting vaccine manufacturers from being sued by citizens. Speaking during a media briefing this afternoon, opposition leader Mark Golding said it is unfair to implement mandatory vaccination if citizens do not have any legal recourse.
There is no indemnification offered by the government, or as I understand it, by the manufacturers of the vaccines, if somebody has an adverse reaction. How are you going to mandate somebody that they must take a vaccine if you're not prepared to stand behind them with indemnification if they get sick or otherwise suffer an adverse reaction? I don't see that as possible. Not through a bureaucratic process like the CARE program with online applications and failed delivery of the benefits, but an immediate benefit that somebody gets upon being vaccinated, which a voucher of some kind that can be redeemed to help people put food on the table. I think that might help people to make up their mind as well. I believe that the approach that's been taken between the various employer groups and the Joint Trade Union Confederation to work out the procedures to be followed at the workplace in relation to vaccination, a risk-based approach with due process, is a correct approach.
We may have to require persons to establish that they are coronavirus-free by showing us a test. And that is an option that some persons may prefer or want to utilize. As to whether or not that is going to be practical and sustainable for a long-term point of view, that is to be seen. But the government of Jamaica has to lead the country towards normalcy and live with the virus and the disease that it causes.